Receivables expense. At 1 July 20x4, the receivables allowance of ABC Co. was $4,500. During the year ended 30 June 20x5, debts totaling $3,650 were written off. The receivables allowance required was to be $4,000 as at 30 June 20x5. What amount should appear in ABC Co.'s statement of profit or loss for receivables expense for the year ended 30 June 20x5? Answer: irrecoverable debts written off, $3,600. Reduction in allowance from $4,500 minus $4,000 minus $500. Receivables expense, $3,150.